So this was just a quick introduction to ASP.NET MVC. Now let me quickly give you a heads up about what is coming up over the next few sections. In the next section, we're going to look at the fundamentals of ASP.NET MVC in detail. By the end of this section, you will have a good and in-depth understanding of how ASP.NET MVC works. Next, we'll use Entity Framework to connect our application to a database. We'll be using Code-First workflow for this, so if you're new to Code-First, this is a great eye-opener. Then we'll add forms and implement validation. So at this point, you will know how to implement CRUD operations in ASP.NET MVC. Next, we'll look at using ASP.NET Web API to build RESTful services. So I will explain what RESTful convention means and how you can create RESTful services using ASP.NET Web API. Once we build our APIs, we'll shift our focus to client-side development. So we'll use jQuery to consume some of these APIs. In this section, you're going to learn about two very useful jQuery plugins. Next, we'll implement authentication and authorization using ASP.NET Identity Framework. So you will understand exactly how ASP.NET Identity works and how you can customize it for your applications. Next, I will talk about performance optimization. I will introduce you to 3-tier architecture, and for each tier, I will show you how you can optimize the performance of your application in that tier. Then in section 10, we'll put everything together and I will show you a systematic way to build a feature end-to-end. And finally, in the last section, you will learn about building and deployment. So there is a lot to cover, and I will see you in the next section.